This is my fish. It's 3 of them. Right now, I just want you guys to hear the background of the noises that making right now. I bought this. My husband bought this last month ago of February as a gift for me. This is a 3-gallon. My husband bought this in Petsmart. A 3-gallon aquarium fish tank. This time is making noises for 2 nights in a row now. What I did is to make the noises disappear, I turned off this faucet up a little bit to see if it's gonna go away the sound, but it did not. So what I did is I opened this, I took out the what do you call this, the air filter. I cleaned it up. That did not work. So what I did is I start cleaning up the what do you call this, the filter thing inside of this. I removed the debris, but still not working at this point of time. So making noises, as you can hear. I don't know what I'm going to do. Still making noises. That's bugged me a lot. I don't know if my fish is okay with the noises that making right now, but it's annoying for me. Lift it up. The noises went away. I don't know what's doing that. Whenever I clean up the filler inside, I took this out, and I cleaned the bottom. See what's going to happen. Making water again. Let's see, it's gonna make noise. It used to be quiet. This one, I cleaned this one this morning to see if it's gonna work. The noise will disappear. That's okay with my fishes. Are you guys okay? Baby boy. This is baby boy, and that's Luna, and that's Betty Poop. Are you guys okay with the noises that you're hearing? You can still see the water is flowing. And they are there, even it's making noises. My fish are okay. Well, guys, this is temporary only. I don't know if it's gonna let my fish live in that kind of fish tank, I might going to ask my husband to buy me another fish tank, because this one's making noises. It's really annoying me. I don't know about my fish. I think they're okay for now. It make me think, are they still going to be alive the next day because of that noises that making. I hope that my fish will be okay and alive next day of that noises. Okay, I bought this. My husband bought this in Petsmart. This is 3-gallon fish tank. I will not recommend this to buy because it's making noises. It looks slick by the way it's make. When you buy it from for a couple of weeks after that, or a month, it make a noises, start making noises. I did my best to get rid of the noises. So now that's it for now. If you love your fish, before you buy the item, make sure you review it first. Take a look at the review and the model. Is it safe for your fish babies, furby fish baby, or not? Okay, don't deceive yourself because it looked nice from outside, but what is inside, and after a while using it, is it still safe? That's all for now. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you learn something about it. So I'm not going to recommend this for you guys to buy for your fish tank. Buy another fish tank, 3-gallon, and take a look at the review first before you buy it. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.